Okay, so meron tayong question dito. Kung babalik ako sa umpisa, ano yung unang-unang aaralin ko? So ako, meron akong dalawang pag-aaralan. Dito talaga ako magpo-focus for ilang months hanggang maging familiar ako. So number one is kung paano mag-identify ng market direction. Kasi as you all know, meron tayong two sides sa market. So it's either bullish or bearish. And then number two is yung levels natin, support and resistance. Kasi dito nagre-react yung price. Now, good practice dito para mas maging familiar kayo. So every time na nagcha-chart kayo, try nyong labelan yung structure ng market. So let's say, nakita nyo na uptrend, i-label nyo saan ba yung higher highs and higher lows. Kapag downtrend naman, lower highs and lower lows. So itatrack nyo lang siya. Same with support and resistance, right? Ipa-plot nyo lang yung support and resistance and try to observe kung ano bang ginagawa ng price dun sa mga areas na yun. Okay, so sobrang simple lang nito guys, but very, very, very important. Kailangan natin ng directional bias and yung level kung saan possible mag-react yung price. Okay, so yun lang. Good luck and trade safe.